Okay, let's go ahead and talk about how to factor four-term polynomials. If you have been factoring along with me with the previous video, this is actually easy. Let me show you what's going on here. So what we have here are four terms. Whenever you have four terms, the middle term has already been rewritten for us, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. You just turn this into a GCF problem here. What do the first two terms have in common? They have an A. So when we factor that out, that's going to be C plus D. Look at this last group. This last group, they both have a B value. So that's the same that we've been doing, guys. Remember, the first term is going to be what we factored out. The last term is going to be what matched. So let's take a look at this polynomial here. So 3b to the third plus 5b squared minus 6b minus 10. First of all, I almost thought that I could factor a 3 out, but I can't. Then I thought I might be able to factor out a 5, but I can't. And then I thought maybe they all might have the letter B, but they don't. 10 doesn't have anything. So straight to factoring by grouping. So here we go. We're just going to go ahead and break these into two groups here. And then just factor out what I can. They both have b squared, and that's it. So I'm just going to take that b squared out of both of those. Now, if you notice, look at this second piece of my problem here. That's a negative 6b minus 10. Both of those are negative. But in my parentheses on my second line of my work, those are both positive. So a 6 and a 10, well, they're both even, so I know I can take out a 2. But I'm going to take out a negative 2 because remember the signs have to match. All right, here we go. So this is b squared minus 2 for the first factor, and my other factor matches perfectly, so it's 3b plus 5. Okay, let's take a look at this term or this polynomial right here. I'm just kind of checking to see if there's any GCF going on. There's not. So I'm ready to just break this into two even groups and just factor out what I can. So my first group, y'all, I'm going to factor out a 2y squared, and I'm just dividing to write what's going to be left over in the parentheses. And then for my next term, they both have a 5. So there we go. I am real confident that my factoring is correct because I have a matching set of parentheses there. So it's going to be 2y squared plus 5 and then y squared plus 3. That's what this factors to.